the onion. Mince the garlic or smash it. After cutting the potato, put it in a bowl that's filled halfway of water. Put in the onions with it. Ajinomoto.
Seasoning. Okay.
Well, season it.
How much?
More.
More?
More.
Ajinomoto. Salt.
Pepper.
Why not?
And that's it. Boil the ground beef or pork until it is this brownish color. Afterwards, drain it. This is after frying every ingredient except the eggs. Mix in the ground beef or pork with the egg.
No, that's it. You don't need a lot. Save it later.
We will use this later. We will cook this for first.
To portion it, you use the plate.
It
Fry it.
only the portion. Flip it.
Flip it over.
Dessert.
Be a man. Pick it up.
No.
Be a drinker. Pick it up. Oh, I'm not done, by the way. I like what I've made.
This is what the torta looks like after it is all cooked. I prefer you eat this with rice and Jufren banana sauce.